Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to language learning. As you know, this is Sepedi Lessons channel. So today we're going to be naming the family members. So what are the family members called in Sepedi? So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first member we have mother. So what is a mother called in Sepedi? So mother is called mma. Mother is called mma. Mother is called mma. So the next one we have father. So father is called pa. Father is called pa. Father is called pa. The next one we have sister. So sister is called se. Sister is called se in Sepedi. The next one we have brother. Brother is called wu. Brother is called Woody. Brother is called Woody in Sepedi. The next one we have grandma. So grandma is called Koko. Grandma is called Koko. Grandma is called Koko in Sepedi. Grandpa. Grandpa is called Rahulu. Grandpa is called Rahulu. Grandpa is called Rahulu in Sepedi. The next one we have a child. A child is called ngwana. A child is called ngwana. A child is called ngwana. A child is called ngwana in Sepedi. So what about a newborn, a baby? So a newborn is called lesea. A newborn is called lesea. Lesea. A newborn is called lesea. So the next one we have uncle. So uncle is called malume. Uncle is called malume. Uncle is called malume in Sepedi. The next one we have aunt. So aunt is called mani. Aunt is called mani. Aunt is called mani in Sepedi. Aunt is called mani. Aunt is called mani in Sepedi. So that is for our today's video. In the meantime, stay tuned for more Sepedi lessons.